What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we are in South Dakota. We are pheasant hunting. So we made the trip out west. We're just south of Aberdeen here, and this first spot that we're gonna go walk is just right across the road from the lodge here that we're staying at. And the land that we're hunting first is a reserve, so basically you can shoot as many birds as you want out of it and it won't go towards your limit, except as long as you put back as many birds that you shot. So say you could shoot 200 birds if you wanted, but you have to release 200 back in there. So it may seem like we're doing something illegal, but everything is legal, and none of it counts toward your actual limit. So that's really nice, as long as you put back birds, in which they do every year. They put back as many birds as they want. And another cool thing about it is you can hunt it all the way till March. Yeah, otherwise we're gonna get to hunting. It's gonna be a really greasy video, so might see a couple thousand birds today, so stay tuned. Told you, it's chaotic. Oh, dude. Rooster! Rooster! Oh God, that was pretty creepy. Oh. I'm exhausted right now. Oh, we hauled butt up to the first spot. Still a bunch of birds running around. You can see them all in the willows here. There's still a lot of birds in here. Yeah, the dog was sitting there, and then like 5 yards that way, there's a rooster sitting there. And
There was a ton of birds in there.
oh my God. Yeah. Good, rooster! Yeah, oh my, if we could have got up here in time, with. Yeah. Oh, it's going over him. Oh, he hit it.
Is he going to come back around and pick you guys up?
I don't know.
We will.
Well, us two could probably fit in the back here. I think there's a dead bird right there too.
Is there?
Yeah. I think that's one, yeah. I'll do the second spot. What?
It's on the whole time?
Yeah.
How you doing? Okay. Pull. Head. Get it. Get it. Come on, bring it here. Hey, come on.
Ooh.
Another one up there, yeah.
Dusted him. Is that the one?
Hey, bring it here.
How the heck does she find that?
Drop, drop, drop.
Oh, is that a... Oh. Rooster!
Sorry, gentlemen, you waited.
I got that one on video for you, Robin. That was a pretty good shot.
Everybody look that way. Rio's not pointing.
Is this the one Reggie shot earlier? Did you drop one in here? Okay. 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 Rooster!
Two. That was cool.
Did we get any?
One. Levi got one.
I didn't get to shoot again. I didn't there. Hey, good girl. Drop. My bird.
Rooster!
I have
Yeah,
my
buddy.
on too.
Yeah. Rooster!
Here, let me catch it.
He's gonna get ready to fly here.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I see him. I'm already just fucking... There's one there.
Go for it. Walk up there.
What?
Walk up there.
Catch it.
high enough. Jesus.
I got fucking frozen.
Well, I'm gonna walk up towards
I got
Rio,
ice
come
in
on!
Drinking Pepsi, and one fucking got up and flew away while they were cleaning them.
Really?
5.
Could it be 20 and 5 be 25?
Quick math.
30, 32, 34, 35, and then whatever you
35.
got.
Now I wanted to know. I think I'm about 10.
36, 37, 38, 39, 40,
Oh,
41,
oh. You better hope he stops.
42,
50?
43,
Hey, you're under, you can still win.
44, 44,
Dive on me.
44?